have another elevator. This is the service elevator at 1616 Hinman. That was loud. Oh, check that out. What? It's a little tiny bit over leveled. Just a tad. Look at this. Let's get our cab view. This is a lot more basic than the other one. Otis. Yeah, this one has not gotten any cab renovations. Ooh, because that whole cab shakes when the door closes. All right, PH. No position indicator. Just set up. Yikes. Somebody did not program this thing right. Now it's under the floor. Big yikes. So like level is wrong on every floor. Let's see 2. What's the deal there? This thing's a little freaky. It's not the fastest either. Well, that's not bad. That's not too bad there. All right, let's send it on 5. There's the Otis logo. Oh, okay, there we go. It's not too bad here. Yeah, it's just a little bit under the floor. And use light's not gonna light up for us. Well, that's it.